Yes, good morning. Welcome to Day 6 Electronics Training Program. Um, now we are going to start the session with one person's LinkedIn post. Right now, I checked. Where is that LinkedIn post? We'll check the what is morning. Yes, good morning. Good morning. Wait a minute. We saw Ratna Deeba's. So Ratna Deeba's poster. What suggestion I gave is, don't mention the SARS in the poster. Okay, SAR or ma'am, and the suffix of their names. Okay, and I saw one beautiful LinkedIn poster in the link, but it is not visible in the chat right now. Where it is? Some poster. Someone shared their poster. Harshini. Harshini, can you repost the link once again? It's not visible. Harshini is here. Okay. See, Harshini, your link is not visible. Why? Are you deleted the link? Any issues? Harshini? Harshini, can you reshare the link one more time? Your link is not in live, I think, Harshini. Harshini, let me check this. Kana, your link is not visible to us. I can see the content in the chat, but we are unable to view. I think you are not sending the proper link. You send your LinkedIn profile link. You shared one more link. No, ma, this is also not visible. Please try to share your name is Harshini, no? Let me search Harshini. Where is Harshini? Harshini G. Harshini G. Ma, please, which one is yours? I don't know whether you are get a connection with us. We have a connection only. I can see your profile. Harshini, keep on sending the link, but the links are not accessible by us. Okay, no issues, Harshini. You keep your links. Okay. Can you send one message me in the message in the LinkedIn? Thereby, I will catch your LinkedIn ID. First one is working. Where is first one? First one is also not working. Harshini, if you share one text message to me, I can catch your link. Can you send one text message to me? Yes, Harshini shared one text message. Via that, we are going to get into Harshini profile. Yes, Harshini, biotechnology engineer. Okay. Please see here. Very good, Harshini. Madam, our CBO, sir, Chief Business Officer, acknowledged your poster. See here. Very good. Very good, madam. Everyone give a clap to Harshini. Harshini got the acknowledgement from our Chief Business Officer, Dr. Nagaraj, sir. Okay. Very good, Harshini. I think you are the first person. You are the first person received the acknowledgement from the Chief Business Officer. See here. Very good. Harshini made a very good effort. Congratulations to Harshini. Others also try to make same kind of efforts. See, we taught a PWM signals, no? He made one poster along with the code what she written. Very good, Harshini. Ma, your name is Harshini Gajendran. Really surprised, madam. Okay, good. Your father name is Gajendran. Am I correct, Harshini? Harshini, your father name is Gajendran. Am I correct? Yes, good. Yes, I'm really surprised by the name also. We request everyone to write such kind of posters. We will give a uh, uh, session to Harshini for 1 minute. Harshini, are you ready to explain how you have written this LinkedIn post? Can I give a presenter access to you? Yes? Yes, Harshini, can you explain how you did that? Hello? Where is Harshini? Harshini, are you there? Hello? Harshini? Oh, no, no, no. If you project how you did, it is sufficient. Any language is okay, Harshini. Okay, you prepare. In between the session, we will give a time to explain. That time you can explain any one poster. Okay, wow. Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. So with this, we are going to start our today's discussion. Can you tell me or recollect what are the things we learned yesterday? Just 2 minutes recap. Please do it. Please do the recap of. Um, please do the recap of yesterday's content. Types of sensors. Very good, Pothishwaran. Sensor interfacing. Very good. Then sensor interfacing. Very good. Analog read. Very good. Then serial monitor. Serial monitor. Very good. Then map function, very good. And whatever we discussed, is it available in the that image what I have shared in the morning? No, is it available there? Please check it. LED intensity, not analyzing, intensity control. Okay. I hope all the syntax are available in the image what I have shared in the scanner printf, but scanner printf not exactly discussed. The same kind of thing available in the Tinkercad, that one we have discussed. Okay. Yes, very good. Now we will get into our Tinkercad portion. Before that, is it anyone did any homework from your side? Have you did any projects by your own? I gave two sensors. I told you to use two sensors and do some exercises. Have you tried that? Have you tried? If you tried, please share the image of it. Let me give a 2 minutes time. Yes, scan of user input, print of user output. Good. Have you tried any sensor interfacing by your own? If so, please share it. Please share the image in the chat. We are seeing 400 people are attending the session, but sad news is feedback is always less than 200. Today, without feedback, I won't leave you exit. Finish your feedback. Hereafter, your feedback will be considered as one of the factor for your class attendance also. Okay, so you must fill the feedback form. Okay. Yes. Anyone tried any exercises? Okay, no issues. Today you do it. Okay. So now we are getting into the Tinkercad platform. Okay. Here, what we learned yesterday, sensor interfacing, LED brightness control. Okay. So we stopped our discussion with the sensor interfacing. Okay. So we are going to start our day 6 journey with the same sensor things. Okay. Same sensors. What we discussed here. So this is the light dependent resistor. This is the light dependent resistor. If you vary the intensity, resistance will vary. If you vary the intensity, resistance will vary. This is the one thing we learned. Then from the flux sensor, any idea how flux sensor works? What we need to do? What we need to do, sir? Please reply. For the flux sensor, what we need to do? For the flux sensor, what we need to do? Flux sensor. Someone did LDR on off control. Sir, light not off when LDR is 0. Okay, I will teach you. Don't worry. We need to bend. We need to bend. So I am bending. Yes, someone did the Varsha did with the strain cage. Okay. Yeah, very good. But okay, when we bend flux sensor into not flux sensor resistance will vary. Okay. What about this strain gauge? Strain gauge, what we need to do, sir? Strain gauge, we need to apply force. We need to apply force. Okay. So initially 0 Newton force. Slowly I'm increasing the force and keeping into 10 Newton means 1 resistor. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. So with this, we are going to practice how we can make use of the sensors for our projects. Okay. So I'm going to create one. I'm going to create one new project. I'm going to create new project. So what is the project name? DAY-6 interfacing sensor part 2. Okay, part 2. Last class we made a study about how the sensors works. Now we are going to do some real experiments with those sensors. Okay, I hope my screen is visible to everyone. The Tinkercad screen. Okay, the first thing what we are going to do is I'm going to take I will do one exercise. Other exercise you people need to do. Okay, I'm going to take Arduino Uno board, then breadboard, followed by same LDR I'm going to take. Okay, same LDR I'm going to take. Then I'm going to take one resistor. That's all. Again, I'm going to apply 5 volt. I'm going to apply 5 volt. 5 volt. Good. Then ground. Then your ground. Ground. Then I'm going to apply 5 volt to this. 5 volt or ground, anything we can give, sir, not an issue. Yesterday we gave ground, no, we'll follow the same. As you may get confused. Ground and VCC. Okay. So this much part we did yesterday. Now we are going to connect this output to where? Output to analog port. Analog port today I am using A3. Okay. Every day we need to access all the ports. So I am going to use the A3 today. That's all. Now what exercise I have done? Nothing. Production all day. Kana surveys. Please remove this kind of posters. We are closely monitoring who are disturbing the online classes. Please come out from your school life. You people are engineers. Please behave as an engineer. We are putting so many efforts to take the classes, but you people are disturbing. But please note down, everything is taken into account. Overall disturbing also, we have a list engineers. Don't play in the class. Okay, how to change the color of the wire in keyboard? How to change the color of the wire in keyboard means you need to press the shortcut key buttons. That means see here, I selected this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that, if you type number, yes, Abdul, many of them now become a teachers. Very good. Many of them finishing my task. Thank you very much. Yes. Please follow chat. Your friends are supporting you. Okay. Now, what is the experiment we are going to do? What is the experiment we are going to do? We are going to do street light. Okay. Street light automation project. What street light automation project does? Can anyone type it in the chat? What street light automation project does? Yes, I'm explaining slowly, not an issue. From where I need to stop? Sankeet, I will start my explanation one more time. Today we are going to interface LDR for one project. Okay. At 6 p.m. light will on. Okay. When it will off? When it will off? When it will off? When it will off? 6 a.m. Okay. Actually, 6 a.m., 6 p.m. These are all the timer settings. This kind of street light automation is also available. But using LDR, we can't sense the time. What we can sense using LDR? What we can sense in LDR? That's very good. Light intensity only we can check. See here, using LDR, you can check whether the natural light is present or not. If natural light is present, what we need to do? We need to make the street light to off. If natural light is absent, we need to make the street light to on. Okay. So and vice versa. Both we need to do. For that, what we are going to do is, so this is the connection. This is the connection. Take 1 minute time to finish this connection, please. Take 1 minute time and to finish this connection. I will share the circuit in the chat also. Please try to finish this connection first. So step by step we will go. First hardware connection. Okay. First hardware connection. Then coding part. One by one we will do, not an issue. One by one we will do. Everyone give the hardware connection first. Once you give the hardware connection, please reply yes in the chat. Good. Please do it one by one. Yes, good. Sanjay done. Deepak Raj, Rohit, Arun, Shakha, Sanjanava, yes, Potiswaran, Karna, Muhammad, very good. Vasha, Adi, Ram, Kishore, Danya, Muhammad, Kishore, very good. Yes, okay. Let me give one more time also. Yes, I am waiting. You do it. Sangeet, you do it, not an issue. Since the Tinkercad is a cloud software, you need a network connectivity to attend your meet as well as the Tinkercad. We know your worries, our burdens. I have a Pakka internet connection with me. Yesterday, I discussed with a few faculties. I think your relatives are working in our campus. They gave a feedback. Our kids are staying in a very remote location. They can't access the internet. That means don't worry. We are sharing the YouTube link also later time. Share that, refer that YouTube and do the simulation in the Tinkercad. Okay. You have enough time in the daytime. Make use of it. Again, the professor said to watch the YouTube also. Our kids don't have a net connection. If that is the case, don't worry. Don't worry. We will give all the teaching content as a document also. You can refer that and write. For that purpose only, I shared the two images in the chat today. The two image covers all the Arduino basics. Okay, like that also we will give you various kind of materials to make you to understand. Okay, yes. Now street light automation means I need a light. Okay, light means I can make use of, for testing purpose, I can make use of the onboard LED first. Once I satisfied with the output, very good, Selva. Once I satisfied with the output, then we will take into the real lights. Okay. Now I am jumping to the code part. Jumping to the code part by remembering the port numbers. So A3 I connected with the LDR input. Then what else? Arduino onboard LED we are going to use it, that is pin number 13. Okay, so come to the code part. What we need to do here, we can change this into street light project. Okay, that may be the title of the project. Okay, followed by LED built-in. LED built-in is nothing but a pin number 13. Okay, I'm going to make use of the same syntax. I'm not going to edit that. I hope you people understand. This LED built-in is nothing but pin number 13 of this Arduino Uno board. This is equal to pin number 13. Pin number 13 of Arduino Uno board. Or some other board, the pin number will vary. Okay. Yes. Then followed by I need to make A3 as input. A3 as input. That's all. So this is for what? To read LDR value. To read LDR value. Followed by I want to check the that analog to digital conversion value. What I need to do to check the values, to check the value in the serial monitor, what we need to do in the void setup function. Please check the yesterday's exercise and tell what we need to do. No map function. Void setup, we need to do something. What is that? Void setup. In void setup, very good. Serial dot begin 9600. Good. This is to initialize the serial monitor. Very good. That's all. Now you tell me how I can read the value of the sensor. How I can read the value of the sensor? How I can read the value of the sensor? Any idea? How I can read the value of the sensor? Analog read, very good. So I am going to create one variable followed by LDR equal to what? Analog read of A3. That's all. So now we read the value of the LDR stored in the variable name called LDR. Okay. Read LDR value and store in variable name called LDR. Is it clear, sir? Yes. What is the next function? So now, time being, I am going to comment all these other lines. Okay. All other lines I am going to comment. I'm going to take this delay alone here. Okay. Now, listen. We read the value, but we don't know for the practical condition what is the range of digital to analog conversion value. Actually, that is from 0 to 1023. This analog read function, if you give a 0 volt, it will show 0 as a count. If you give 5 volt, it will give 1023 as a count. Am I correct? First of all, I need to check for the value what I am receiving from the particular serial. Okay, yes, very good. We need to type serial dot print ln of the variable name LDR. Take some time. Finish this code. Please finish this code. The comment line, except the project heading, you can skip everything. I shared the code in the chat also. Please write down the project name title in your class note and then write code once. Fatafat. Here come to Tinkercad and execute it. Do one step by step. Do step by step. I shared the code, street light project. Okay, street light automation project. We add the automation also here. Automation project. Yes. I have logging issue with Tinkercad, sir. Why, sir? Then Arul Jeffrin, you do with the class notes. After the class, you try, not an issue. Arul Jeffrin, you take a class notes. After the class, you try, or else you reach us, we will support how to do that. Okay. Yes. Very good. Now, please share the analog read value, what you are getting for the dark and bright condition. Sir, force sensor, which port from like LDR? Wait. Force sensor also you can use any port, but please concentrate on this project now. Then I will give a task to the remaining two sensors you can do. For that, I will give 5 to 7 minutes to execute. Don't worry. Today only the project class, so you can perform so many projects today. Okay, please tell me the value. Start simulate. Okay, let me start simulate this and check it in the serial monitor. I did here. I need to put on what range you are getting for dark and dark. We are getting 6K, 6 count, and bright we are getting 979. Okay. This is the range we are getting now. Please keep that in your mind. Please keep that in your mind. Okay. Now you tell me when you want to make the LED to on. In which condition? Full dark or medium dark or full bright. You think about any one condition. Street light when we need to turn on. That alone you think and tell. When you want to full dark, sir. Full dark or in the middle range you want to do. Medium dark. Medium dark means tell me the count value. I am adjusting the knob. You people can see this. Okay, that is up to you. Your own street light. You decide. What I am going to do is, okay, full dark you people want. Okay, good. Full dark I want means 6th is the analog to digital conversion value we are getting in the serial monitor. What code you will write? What logic code you will write after this delay line? Tell me. What condition loop we need to use? Any idea? What condition loop we need to use? No need of map function and all here. Map function, no need. That I will teach you later. Map function we use for some other project. If alone is sufficient, if alone is sufficient, if else, very good. If and else, if and else, if and else we need to use, if and else we need to use. If, what I need to type here? Condition, please tell me. What condition I need to type? Full dark, we need to make a street light on. What you need to type? Tell me what condition you will type. Biotech people, don't worry. If else program alone we are going to discuss for some time. Whenever you find free time, make use of the AI tool and learn what is if else. I will explain the if else with the one more circuit diagram also. Please wait. Sir, what value you will pass in the if? Please tell. What value you will pass in the if? Ifல என்ன value pass பண்ணுவீங்க? Yes? Hello, condition. Please tell me the condition. Not Boolean and all. Already we stored one variable, no LDR. What you will type here? LDR value, some condition we need to type in if loop. Kana, full dark you people said. Full dark na what you will type? Full dark. 6. What I need to type after? LDR equal to 6 we can keep, or what greater than 500? No. We are thinking about only the light on condition, engineer. On condition means only equal to 6 I can type, or else what I can type? What I can type? Give me some other exact 6 may not come all the time. Okay. So what I can type here? I can put less than symbol. I can put less than symbol. Some count 15 or 10. 15 or 10. Is it clear? Is it clear? Some nearest value I will put. Practically, this only function. Equal to 6 may not work. Practical conditions. Okay. Since it is the simulation, it is giving exact 6. But practical conditions, you will get some variable values. Okay. So therefore, I am giving some tolerance, and I am putting if LDR less than equal to some value. Okay, nearest value. Okay, then, okay, if this condition is satisfied, I need to make the LED to turn on. I need to make a LED to turn on. Today I am going to teach one more concept. Always we will write the pin number, digital, right? Pin number, LED built in, nothing but the 13th pin. Am I correct? So LED built in, comma, if I put 1, that high, low, we are mentioning, no? The same way you can put 1 and 0 here. So that means LED will on, LED will turn on. What we need to write in the else part? What we need to type in the else part? Please support me. What I need to type in the else part? What I need to type in the else part? Else part la enna pannu sir? 0. That's all. Else part I need to put 0. Have you observed one thing? In the if loop, I didn't use the flower bracket. Whether this will work? I didn't use the flower bracket. Whether it will work or not, this particular code. Whether the particular code. No is the answer from Abdul. Ananya also no. Is it you people studied computer science in your school days, engineer? Everyone saying no. Work for single line. Potheswaran, which department, which course you studied in your school days, Potheswaran? Potheswaran and Bhuvnesh Bhuvan. Bhuvnesh Bhuvana. CS Max, okay. Computer science people said the right answer. Learn one new concept today. Some answer is given by Potheswaran. Can everyone read that line in the chat? What Potheswaran shared in the chat? Potheswaran என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காரு சார் chatல? Potheswaran chatல என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காரு? ஆனா Python we will come later. Wait a minute. Potheswaran ஒரு பாயிண்ட் போட்டிருக்கான். என்ன பாயிண்ட் பாருங்க? It works for single line. Very good. That is the answer. If else loopல, if you are using a single line to be executed, no need of the flower bracket. If you want to perform group of lines, to group that. Okay. So with this, the code part is over. Now we are going to check our project, how it works. Okay. Now we are going to start simulate, followed by adjust the light intensity. Sir, pardon sir, daytime, street light off, daytime, street light off, nighttime, street light on. Can you observe this? See, so this is daytime. This thing is considered as a daytime. The dark left-hand side is considered as a night time. So now everyone try to do the street light project. Today onwards, we need your LinkedIn post. Okay, compulsory. So compulsory in you people will start try, I think. So we are making this as a compulsory. Everyone try except the that what problem இருக்கு பத்தி அவங்க மட்டும் விட்டுட்டு மற்றவங்க எல்லாம் once again I will teach Raj, don't worry. So this is night. This is night. இந்த சைடு இருந்ததுன்னா நைட்டு, இந்த சைடு இருந்ததுன்னா டே. நைட், டே டைம், நைட் டைம். இது டே. ஓகேவா சார்? ஸோ இப்போ டே டைமில் இப்படி இருக்குது, நைட் டைமில் என்னதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். ப்ராஜெக்ட் இப்போ செக் பண்ணி பாருங்கள். ஸ்டார்ட் சிமுலேஷன். ஸோ இப்போ நைட்டு அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணுறேன். let me take the label little away from this. Move ஆக மாட்டேங்குது. Wait a minute. Entire project is moving. It's night time left hand side, day time right hand side. Okay. Start simulate. This is your street light. Street light என்ன ஆகுதுன்னு பாருங்க சார். Street light டே டைம்ல என்னாச்சு? ஆஃப் ஆயிடுச்சு. டே டைம்ல ஃபுல்லா ஆஃப், நைட் டைம்ல ஆஃப். ஓகே, someone got the error. What is that error? When in the serial dot begin kaduthu, I forgot to put a double slash comment line. That you add, please. Okay, I will share the updated code now. I shared the updated code now. I forgot to put a comment line, the line number 4, I think. Include that, you will get a right output. Is it clear to everyone? Someone asked that. Explain one more time something. Who asked? Vana Kailas Raj. Kana, Vana Kailas Raj. Is it clear to you, Kana? From which portion I need to explain? Please tell me. Okay, I explained from the beginning also, not an issue. Not an issue. So here we connected LDR first. First step, we read the serial monitor output and we found the count value, serial analog to digital conversion value. We got a count value from 6 to, we got a street light is not off, sir. Why it is not off? Why it is not off, engineer? Off ஆயிடுச்சு பாருங்க. Why sir not working? What happened, Shalini? If you want very good. Someone said no. If you remove this delay, you will get a quick response. Else it will take a 1 minute delay. Yes, 1 second delay. Yes, correct. If you remove delay and check mark, you will come to know the fast response in the immediate. The moment you change, it will change. See here, if you observe the serial monitor, okay, serial monitor now the count is 6. Now the count is 6. If you vary this brightness value, it increases to 600 and reduces slowly to less than 500, 400. Still street light is off. Still street light is off. Still off. Now less than 10 is turned on. Is it clear, engineers? Is it clear? Is it clear? Please try. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? I hope you will got the output. If you got the output, share your outputs. No. Now what you people need to do is next project, Now you completed a street light project, no? Now you people want to do the same using same LDR, same LDR. You people want to do the next project. Very simple. Connect external LED. Connect external LED. External LED. Okay, external LED and old resistor. External LED resistor and connect in the same pin number 13. Okay. Sometimes I am unable to change the resistor values sometimes due to the internet speed, I think. Now I'm going to connect it in the pin number 13. Pin number 13, I'm going to connect a light. Okay. So now check the same functionality with this light. So this is my street light. Okay. Now check the street light is working perfectly. Something missing. Okay. This should be connected in the ground. Now the street light is on, night time, daytime, street light off. So how to increase the brightness of the LED? Anyone? How to increase the brightness of the LED? The street light brightness is not up to mark. What I want to do? What I want to do? 220 ohm resistor. I need to reduce the resistor value to 220 ohm. Yes, sometimes it is coming. Sometimes I want to refresh this. I want to refresh the page. Increase the volt is not possible, engineer, here. Since we are using Arduino, it is giving only 5 volt. Let me take one more resistor, 220 ohm. Reduce the value to 220 ohm. Remove this resistor, keep this resistor. Yes. So, yes, finish this task. Finish this task. If you done, I will give different project. You can start do that. Try. I will give 2 more minutes to complete this project. Once you're done, I will give you a different projects. Quick. Yes, good. Muhammad completed. Done, sir. Done, sir. Okay, sir. Good. All are performing well in the class. But after feedback form thrown, everyone is left. Oh, sir, someone connected that incandescent lamp. Potheswaran, we should not connect that incandescent lamp straight away to Arduino. It will damage your Arduino port. Okay. To connect the incandescent lamp, we need to use one more fellow that I will teach you. Please wait for one more class. Okay. Whoever connected that incandescent lamp, please remove. In simulation, it will work. Practical case, it will kill your Arduino board. So Arduino board costs and all 300, 400, 600 rupees. But with no time, we can destroy it. Okay. So you should not connect this incandescent lamp. This lamp will draw more current. Your port cap relay we need to use, Muhammad. Very good. Relay I will teach you, not today. Okay. If time permits, today I will teach. Okay. Else we will learn some projects today. Many of them asked to teach the projects. So today we plan to teach some projects using your known concepts. Okay. Yes. Now, engineers, if you are clear in this concept, I will give the next project using LDR. Okay. What project I am going to give using LDR is you people create one. Okay. Lux meter. where we are using this lux meter. Where we are using this lux meter, can you see my web page? Can you see the web page, engineers? Can you see the web page? What I have shared in the Chrome? Yes. Can you see the? No. Where we are using this lux meters? Where we are using this lux meters? Lux meter எங்கேயோ யூஸ் பண்ணி decision make பண்ண cricket. Yes, sir. Cricket ground we will use. What is the purpose? What is the purpose? If the bowler or batsman or any one of the player complains, the light intensity is not sufficient and I am not to face the ball. I am unable to focus the field like that. If they are complaining, with the normal eyes, they won't take any decision. They will bring this meter and they will check in the field. Okay, flux meter used in sports. If you put, you will get so many images. See the images. So this is the actual pitch that they are checking the lux. Okay, am I correct? So today you people are going to make that lux meter also used in the agriculture field and the industries, okay, and also in the home. So lux sensor is very much useful in making the lighting system to design. In our home, the lighting systems are various lighting systems are available. Corridor we have one lighting system. Bedroom lighting condition is different. Study room lighting condition is different. So using this lux meter, you people need to decide how much light intensity you required for the particular workplace you can decide. Okay. Now what we are going to do is simply we are going to print the percentage value of the lux by using the same LDR sensor. LDR sensor use பண்ணி what lux sensor used in the phone also. Yes, in our phone, whenever we are putting the camera in the automatic mode, it will sense the ambient light and accordingly it will adjust your flashlights, whether the flashlight is required while you are taking the photo or not. Okay. So what you people want to do is you need to create one digital lux meter. What you are going to do? Digital lux meter using LDR. Okay. So since this deals with LDR, I am going to use the same workspace. Okay. Take one more Arduino or take one more project. If you are taking project more means it may get confused. So our LDR related things we will keep here. I'm going to take a breadboard. Okay. I'm going to take a breadboard. Followed by duplicate copy means I can copy the components from the top and paste it. So LDR1, then resistor 1, that's all. This much is sufficient for me. Hardware connection only I will do. Programming you need to tell what to do. Okay. So I am going to type digital lux meter. Digital lux meter. Okay. So how I'm going to perform this? I'm going to again the same things 5 volt I'm going to take 5 volt I'm going to take then ground wire then ground. Okay, then this is ground, then this to VCC, then connect it into I'm going to connect A1 port. Now the output. That's all. Hardware connection is over. Hardware connection is very simple. We completed, we connected this to A3 A1 port. Now what we need to type is the coding part. Please explain, engineer, what we need to do in the lux meter. Lux here, you simply give the percentage. 0 to 100% lux value சொன்னா போதும். பர்சன்டேஜ்ல சொன்னா போதும். லக்ஸ் இவ்வளோ பர்சன்டேஜ் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னா போதும். இது எப்படி கிரியேட் பண்ற இந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட்? ப்ளீஸ் சப்போர்ட் மீ. Please support me how I can do. If anyone want to interact for this project, you tell your name. I will unmute you and you can talk. Anyone want to interact for this map function? We need to use very good Pothishwaran. Map use பண்ணிக்கலாம். Step by step process சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Pin mode. First what I need to do? Pin mode, what I want to do? Pin mode. Here used A1 pin. A1 pin. So A1 நான் என்னவா கன்சிடர் பண்ணணும் இன்ஜினியர்? A1 என்ன கன்சிடர் பண்ணணும்? Input. Okay, very good. A1 consider as a input. Okay. Pothishwaran, don't mistake me. Give a chance to others. நீ அப்படியே ஆன்சர் மைண்ட்குள்ளே வச்சிரு. லாஸ்டா ரொம்ப நேரம் ஆன்சர் வரலாம் சொல்லுக்கண்ணு போதீஸ்வரன். Let others also try. A1 I consider as a input. What else I want to do, engineers? What else I want to do? So here we are going to use a serial monitor to check the output. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்? Serial monitor to check the output. என்ன பண்ணணும்? Serial monitor யூஸ் பண்ணணும். என்ன பண்றது? void setup நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? I need to type serial dot begin 9600. Very good. Very good, Anya. 9600. முடிச்சாச்சு சார். Now I need to print the lux value in percentage only. Simply in percentage. What I want to do? I don't want this LED on off control and all. No need. Serial dot begin gave, madam. Serial dot begin we given. What you will do in the void loop part? Please tell me. Void loop part. Void loop la enna type பண்ணனும்? இதர value read பண்ணனும். map functionக்கு முன்னாடி கண்ணு போத்தீஸ்வரனால கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ண முடிய மாட்டேங்குது. போத்தீஸ்வரன் ஒரு ஆன்சர் கொடுத்திருக்காரு. அதர்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்களேன். இனிஷியல் ஸ்டெப் என்ன பண்ணணும்? வேரியபிள் டிக்ளேர் பண்ணணும். வெரி குட். இன்ட் எல்டிஆர்னே போட்டுக்கலாமா? இல்ல லக்ஸ்ன்னு போட்டுக்கலாமா? லக்ஸ்ன்னு போட்டுக்கலாம். லக்ஸ்ன்னு போட்டுட்டு லக்ஸுக்கு நான் என்ன பண்ணணும்? லக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு வாட்? லக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு வாட்? அனலாக் read off. Analog read off. What I need to type? Analog read off. A1 I need to type. Am I correct, engineer? Am I correct, engineer? Read பண்ணிட்டேன். ரீட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும்? ரீட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் நம்ம இவர் சொன்னது யாரு? போத்தீஸ்வரன் சொன்னது என்ன பண்ணணும்? இன்ட் ஓகே இன்ட் லக்ஸ் பர்சன்டேஜ் லக்ஸ் வேல்யூன்னு போட்டுக்கலாமா? லக்ஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் வேல்யூன்னு போட்டுக்கலாம். லக்ஸ் அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் வேல்யூ ஈக்குவல் டு மேப் ஃபங்க்ஷன். How to use the map function? ஒரு தடவை ரிஃப்ரெஷ் பண்ணிக்கலாமா? How to use the map function? How to use the map function? Last class we discussed, no? First you need to pass the variable. Very good. The luxன்ற வேல்யூ எடுத்து the variable pass பண்ணிக்கணும். And then the luxன்ற வேரியபிளுக்கு என்ன ரேஞ்சில் நமக்கு பிரிண்ட் ஆகும்? ஆல்ரெடி we know the count value. டார்க்கா இருக்கும்போது என்ன வரும்? பிரைட்டா இருக்கும்போது என்ன வரும், இன்ஜினியர்ஸ்? What for the dark value and the bright value? Since we are using same LDR, same resistor, you can tell or not. 6 for the dark, no? Very good. Bright க்கு என்ன count வரும்? 679. Please write. For this lux variable, dark க்கு என்ன வரும்? Bright க்கு என்ன வரும் தெரியுமா? அப்ப what is the low value, high value print பண்ணணும். Is it clear, engineer? First thing, what you will receive in this variable you need to type, followed by what output we want. 0 na lux எவ்வளோ percentage? Any idea? The lux values 0 na percentage எவ்வளோ வருது? What percentage? Like percentage நம்ம எவ்வளோ வச்சுக்கணும்? 0 வச்சுக்கணுமா 100 வச்சுக்கணுமா 0 very good 679 na what we need to keep engineer 679 na what we need to keep 679 100 that's all your honor that's all your honor your part is over so now please listen our code part is over we use the map function we are mapping the lux value to the minimum 6 na 0 varnum 670 na 100 varnum that's all then you need to print what you need to print what is mean by lux kana we are kana it is a unit of light intensity I'm using the same name here to read the LDR value that's all have you understood Raja Kailas Raja have you understood why I'm putting the lux here is a unit of light intensity okay very good now I want to print the lux value அப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் print ln of what variable I need to print tell me right now print ln of what variable lux or lux value lux or lux value unit of light is lux very good Muhammad helping lux கிடையாது கண்ணு நம்ம கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணது என்னது lux value lux underscore value we need to print இந்த print பண்றதுக்கு எனக்கு view பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு டைம் வேணும் சார் I need a time to view the value in the serial monitor what I need to introduce next line la ஒரே ஒரு line add பண்ணா project finished delay that's all your honor now I'm going to start the simulation explain one more I will explain you Bala Sujay you check the output alone Bala Sujay I will explain Bala Sujay you check what is the lux percentage we are receiving 0 why it is 0 Bala Sujay இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் சொல்லு ப்ராஜெக்ட் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி தரேன் கண்ணு இப்ப LDR dark condition இருக்கா am I correct LDR is in dark condition lux value is how much percentage 0%. Please share the code. I will share the code after the explanation. 0 Bala Sujay. Now I am increasing the light intensity into step by step. Please check the serial monitor whether the percentage is increasing slowly. I am keeping exactly in 50%. 50% வச்சிருக்கேன் check பண்ணி பார்க்கலாம் what value we are getting. Still we are getting 6 1 minute. Map function ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணிருக்கோமா what we did 1 minute something missing wait a minute Kana please check 1 minute what is the difference between the previous connection and this around everything is perfect we used to only 1k resistor earlier no see for me the count value is reduced 0 to 88 why some changes in the earlier it was 600 no earlier it was 600 A1 only can I made one mistake in the program can anyone find the mistake in my code I did one mistake Abhishek found very good Abhishek we need to keep this pin as an input pin I made this mistake that throws the error in my code now you check 6 to very good now you put a lux value you will get it always we need to check the hardware connection first followed by our code definitely system never produce that wrong output because the bracket is available don't bother about the bracket close please see here Gopika the bracket is present Actually, earlier it was hidden. Now it without bracket it won't run. The system won't run. Okay. Now I am increasing the brightness. Increase the brightness. Now I am keeping 50 greater than 50 percentage and making to 100. Yes, 100 percentage. Now I will share the code. Then I will explain the code one more time. Somebody asked. I will explain the code. Whoever understood, start execute the code. Execute the exercise. Please do it. Humble request, show this output to your parents also. Yesterday also I told, show these outputs. Your parents may know the programming well. They may guide you in their part also. Now Sanjay, Bala Sujay, please check Bala Sujay. Now we are going to create the lux meter. For that, what we are going to do is, we are going to connect the LDR output to the A1 of the analog input pin. Remaining stories are same. See, why we connected pin mode as a input means to read, to make A3 then A1 pin as input. இந்த மாதிரி நான் உங்களுக்கு இது டைப் பண்ணி தரேன். இது இப்போ புரியுதான்னு பார்த்துட்டே வளர்க்கண்ணா. Input. Okay. Then what for this second line? To initialize serial monitor. Next. Again, இது எதுக்கு சார்? To read the LDR value. Read பண்ணியாச்சு. Then what for this map function? Convert LDR value into lux in percentage. Okay, the last line. What for the last line? To print follow Sujay. And LDR is not LDR value. LDR the light dependent resistor kanna. LDR means this LDR. This is LDR Bala Sujay. The sensor's name is LDR. Okay. Now then to print lux value in percentage. அவ்வளோதான் கண்ணு, அவ்வளோதான். இப்போ இது எதுக்கு? டு கெட் 1 second டிலே. இதை மட்டும் எல்லாரும் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Everyone try this. I will share the code one more time with the all comment lines. Try to write a comment line. The future reference, it will be helpful. One famous professor said one line. Can everyone listen what I am speaking now? Please stop your work and listen 1 minute, just 1 minute. LCD, Kana LCD is also in our content. I will teach you. Don't worry. Please listen. I will tell one line. You type it in the chat. Okay. While write the code. Please type in the chat. While write the code. Me and God knows. Please type the first line in the chat. While write the code, me and God knows. Can you type it in the chat? While write the code, me and God knows. Okay. Now the question is, after some time, who knows about the code? Tell me. After, while you write the code, me and God knows. Nobody knows. Yes. Teacher knows. Yes. While write the code, me and God knows. After some time, only God knows. Please type the second line. After AI knows. Yes, definitely AI knows. After after writing only God knows. How to avoid this? Please give the solution. Well, write the code, me and God knows. After some time, only God knows. After some time, we need to understand means what we need to do. Please tell me the answer. Very simple. Write code within note. That is okay, engineer. The same programming you need to check. See, in the writing the code, the initial stage it is good. You need to put a comment line. Muhammad gave a right answer. Write the third line. If I want to know, I want to understand my own code, I need to use proper comment line. Is the third line. Please write. Well, write the code, me and God knows. After some time, only God knows. To make you to understand, write a comment line. Now you go and check in the chat. Earlier I shared so many codes. That code may not be understandable to everyone. Now I shared one code. Okay. That code has a comment lines. So anyone join later also or just tomorrow also, after 1 year also, they can understand. As a programmer, try to have a habit of writing the code with the comment lines. Okay. Now take your 2 minutes time and complete the what this digital lux meter project. Do it. LCD will teach. Please wait. Please try to. I can make few more decoration in the line. I can make few more decoration in the line. Here, the serial monitor, it is simply printing number. Sometimes it is not meaningful. So what I am going to do is, I'm going to introduce one more serial print, not println. I'm going to introduce one more line, serial print. See here, I'm going to introduce one more line with a double quote, with a string. What I'm going to do is lux value in percentage equal to. That's all. Equal to. இது மாதிரி டைப் பண்ணிட்டு now I start simulate now. Please observe your serial monitor gives the meaningful value, lux value in percentage equal to this. Which one looks good? First one or the current one? Which output looks nice? Second one. If you want like this, you can decorate your projects. Okay, you can decorate your projects. Okay, so for that you need to do only one magic. You need to add one line in front. There you should not put the ln. Print ln போடக்கூடாது. இதை print பண்ணிடணும். Followed by print ln போடணும். சிலருக்கு இன்னொரு ஆசை இருக்கும். சார், எங்க ஸ்கூல்ல வந்து இந்த வேல்யூ போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் நாங்க யூனிட் பின்னாடி போடுவோம் சார். How you will do that? Muhammad Zagaria, wait. What I did know, serial monitor command, I used 2 times Muhammad Zagaria. The first one, serial print எழுதி, I passed one string value. Okay, va? Then I am passing the lux value. That's all. Code nalla paru Zagaria. It's very simple. What I did is I introduced the 2 serial print command. First command to print this particular string. Okay. The second thing is to print the value. Now third one add பண்றேன். Third and add பண்றேன் பாருங்க. I am doing simple thing. What I am going to do is I am remove again println இங்க தூக்கிட்டு last lineல தான் we need to put a println. So here I am going to introduce the percentage symbol. இப்ப பாருங்க ப்ரோக்ராம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு. இங்க ஒரு ஸ்பேஸ் விட்டுக்கோங்க. விட்டுட்டு டைப் பண்ணி பாரு. your output looks little more good. வந்துச்சா பாருங்க. இந்த வேல்யூக்கு பின்னாடி அந்த பர்சன்டேஜ் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம்னா இந்த டபுள் டைம் பர்சன்டேஜ் போடாம லக்ஸ் வேல்யூன்னு மட்டும் போட்டுட்டு டைப் பண்ணனா அருமையா இருக்கும் அவுட்புட். செக் பண்ணி பாரு. lux value, itana percentage. Now you tell me which one is good. First one, second one, third one. This sir looks nice. Third one. If you keep on decorate, you will get the, you will tell the new one is a good one. That's all. Small effort, big results. Okay. Small effort, big results. Okay. So with this, our second project is over. Now I am going to give a project to you. Take 5 minutes to individual projects. Take 5 minutes to individual projects. Okay. If you want this modified code, wait a minute. See, now I am sharing the digital voltmeter coding with the version. I'm going to change the version 2.0, second version. Multiple codes I am sharing now. So if you are doing the project multiple times, make a version of the codes. Now I changed it into version 2.0, a second version. Okay. If you are modifying it to 3 na 3.0, like that you can save the code. No. Some people may ask, sir, I am creating the code in the Tinkercad. After some time, I want the code. What I can do, sir? Sir, very simple. Here you find the download code. No, simply you download this. The code will download in your system. Code will download in your system. That code is visible only if you install the particular software. What is that software? What is the software? Arduino IDE software. How I can install the software? Go to the website, type Arduino UNO download. Arduino UNO download, click panna. You people will get the Arduino UNO official website. If you click the website, it will take you this page. Here you can download your software. All are using Windows system, no? All are using Windows system, no? Windows 10 or newer, no? Click this download button. Click this download button. You click பண்ணீங்கன்னா வேலை முடிஞ்சது சார். Software will get download. 151 MB is the size of the Windows 11 same sir. Windows 10 or newer எல்லாமே இருக்கு. Okay. இதை எடுத்து காப்பி பண்ணி I am sharing the link in the chat. Try to install the software in your laptop and share that installed icon to me. இதை பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Please try to do this task. 1 minute task. இது முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் I will give you the exercise. Let me try to share this software in the chat. முடியுதா பார்க்கலாம். I am not sure if I able to share the software in the chat. External sharing is not allowed. It's not allowing to share the software. The software download பண்ணிட்டு give next click, it will get installed. How many of them downloaded the software? இது மாதிரி ஒரு round color icon இருக்கு சார். இதை double click பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா you can give next. I agree. Then next you need to click, it will get installed. Since I have the latest version in my laptop, I am not going to install. You install and tell me. If you installed means the start menu la poi type பண்ணீங்கன்னா, if you type it in the start menu Arduino, you will get the icon like this. This icon ensures you install the software in your laptop. Okay, engineer, try to do this installation process. Take 2 minutes or 3 minutes time. Then I will give you 2 projects. Quick. Likewise, you will get a software open in your window. Whenever you open, it will show the previous project. Okay, previous project. You don't need to bother about this much lengthier coding. Okay, this and all some projects related to my PhD work I am having. No need to. Okay, we will teach you the. Now I am going to open the today's project code. Okay, if I open the today's project code, no, Check it. This is the project what we have typed in the Tinkercad so far. Not this one. So whenever you open your sketch, you create this new software tool. Can you visible this one, engineer? Same code I am monitoring using new software, Arduino IDE software. Visible இருக்கா சார்? நம்ம என்ன டைப் பண்ணும்போது நம்ம சிஸ்டத்துக்கு வந்துருச்சு பாருங்க. Cloudல இருக்கிறத we successfully brought into our own system. Yes, already someone having that. Pranav Giridhar, good. Download and check your own. What is the name? What is the name? No, I can't understand. What is that name? Kana, are you asking the project name? So always your system will take the project name as your date and your month and year. Sketch is the general name of this project. Okay, whatever the project you open, it will start with the name sketch followed by the month and year. அதை வச்சு அது சேவ் பண்ணிக்கும் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா. Is it clear up to this, engineer? Is it clear up to this? I hope everyone can download the software and install in your system. Have you tried? Yes. Yes. Others, not an issue. I will share the link after the class hour also. Should we sign in? Sana, if you sign in and do, that is the next part. If possible, you try. In our cloud also, you can try. Yes, கொடுத்துருங்க கண்ணா. Yes, கொடுங்க. Yes, install. Yes, install you give. Muhammad, install, click install. Okay, Kana, if it is not installing right now, not an issue. I simply exposed you to how to download the software now. Okay, after some time we will teach how to interface with the hardware once you get into the campus. Okay, yes, come back. Now next project. Shall I give the title of the next project, engineer? Next project, please say yes or no, we will continue. Actually, we are little behind with our syllabus. No issues. If you are doing multiple projects, we can complete it. Okay, yes. Learning is very much important than covering the syllabus. Okay, so what we did today, please recollect what we did today. Two projects. One is street light project. Account open. Okay, Bala Sujay. I'll come to that part later, Bala Sujay. You download and work. That's all. Lux meter. Street light and Lux meter is a two project what we did today. Now I want. What I want. I want. Now I am going to take the new project. Okay, new project. What is the name of the project? What is the name of the project? Okay, wait a minute. Take this. Part 2, no? Sensor interfacing part 2. Now I am going to do part 3. Part 3 is your part 3. What is part 3 I am going to do today? Part 3 is with not this page. Wait a minute. Part 3 exercise is very simple. Use force sensor. Using force sensor. Okay, using force sensor. Create one. Okay. Can you try with your own where we are using the force sensors. Please try to find where we are using force sensor. Please browse and tell force sensor. Weight machine, weighing scale, very good. Weighing scale, very good. Force sensor எங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம்? weighing scale வேற எங்க யூஸ் பண்றோம்? The gamingலாம் they are using. Gamingல have you find one machine with a single hand glove? If you kick, it will give the point. Have you seen that kind of YouTube shorts videos? No joystick, Kanna. Joystick is different. Joystick is different. Okay, weighing machine வச்சுக்கோங்க கண்ணா. Very simple weighing machine. எனக்கு இப்போ என்ன வரணும்னா, consider this flux sensor. Okay, create one weighing scale. Create one weighing scale. The weighing scale, if I give 0 Newton அப்படின்னா 0 kilogram வரணும். If I need to get a 10 kg. 0 to 10 kg weighing scale create பண்ணுங்க. 0 to S. Hammer hitting is a game name. Very good. Okay. I want 0 to 10 kg digital weighing scale. Please do the project. Try பண்ணுங்க. Try your own. You people are going to explain how you did. Okay. Try பண்ணுங்க. Digital weighing scale. Try to do that. Weighing scale. Try பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Please try using this force sensor. Create one weighing scale. Try. How many of them can do? Type it in the chat. How many of them can do this? How many of them can try this? I can do weighing scale using this. Yes. How many of them? Question. Once again, sir, very simple. If I am giving 0 Newton, your weighing scale reading should be 0 kilogram. If I giving 10 Newton, weighing scale need to show 10 kg in the serial monitor. Can you try this project? Can you try this project? Hello? Yes or no? Try. Please try. Please try your weighing scale project. Once again, sir. Very simple. Very simple. Using this force sensor, okay, you need to create the digital weighing scale. Okay, what digital weighing scale need to do? It need to give a weight of the mass from 0 to 10 kilogram. If I am applying 0 Newton, it need to show 0 kilogram. If I am applying 10 Newton of force, it need to give a 10 kg reading. Try பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Please try. Please try for 2 minutes. Else I will help you step by step to finish the project. Someone did Abhishek. Abhishek did. We'll check what Abhishek did. Abhishek, can you explain this project? Abhishek, can you explain this project to your friends? Yes, sir. Okay, wait a minute. I will unmute. I will give a presentation credential to Abhishek. Abhishek will explain you this project. Else, whether you people need a time to do by your own, or shall I give a presentation to Abhishek engineers. Abhishek explain பண்ண சொல்லலாமா இல்லை நீங்க ட்ரை பண்றீங்களா? Others please give time. Okay. Abhishek please wait. Let your friends try by their own. Okay. அபிஷேக் அந்த நீங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ணதை delete பண்ணுங்க கொஞ்ச நேரம். Others try பண்ணட்டும். After some time you post your answer. Abhishek, if possible, delete that your answer. Yes, thank you, Abhishek. Abhishek, once you done that, no, what you can do? Force sensor done na. Then try flux sensor. Flux sensorல அபிஷேக் கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க என்ன. The flux sensorல if I bend 50%, you need to print I need water. Okay. If I bend 100% na, you need to turn on the light. Two things you need to do. If I put straight na, ரெண்டுமே சீரியல் பிரிண்ட்ல வரக்கூடாது. ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க அபிஷேக். செகண்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட். Abhishek, you understand the project? Okay, I will give that project also in the task. Okay, one by one we will do. Now next project, using flux sensor, you can do any project and explain. That is the second task. Try பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Try these two tasks. Let me give some time to you people to perform. Try. You take your own time and show your meaningful outputs. Those who are completed the outputs, write a LinkedIn post immediately. Day 5, I did this project. I learned this. Like that you post LinkedIn post. 2 step. யாரெல்லாம் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்றீங்களோ அவங்க ஒரு ஸ்டெப் முன்னாடி போயிட்டே இரு. Try. So what we are doing actually is the weighing scale. So what is the weighing scale? Weighing scale is here. So what is the cost of the weighing scale? Please check. Go to shopping. So if you check in the shopping, 10 kg weighing scale, it's around 1,000 rupees. Nowadays you are getting the remote controls also. Apple and Taranga sir, they are giving app to. So this weighing scale only we are performing. Okay, try to do that. But the actual construction of this weighing scale is little different. Now we are learning the concept alone. Okay, so no need to worry. So this is our weighing scale. Here they are using 7-segment displays and they are using a fantastic metal cover. These things you will learn. Okay. Anyone completed engineer? Don't share your answer. You share you done. You give a time to other friends also complete. Why Deepika D left? Deepika D left. Done. Very good, Muhammad. Oh, you done means go to the flux sensor project. Quick. Flux sensor project. Quick. As many sensors as possible today we will learn. Then if you people support us, we can do so many projects. Today I will give homework. Try to do that. Okay. Done sir, but end with error. No issues. Ending with error is gift. Try to debug. You will learn new concept. End with error is a good thing. You will learn the new concept. If you are getting the output immediately, no, you won't learn any new concepts. Right. What homework, sir? Homework, I will give you end of the session. After you are filling the feedback only, I will give homework today. You people are not giving a feedback. Today I want all 400 to give a feedback. Then I will give the homework. Very good. Many of them done. Many of them done. Many of them done. Many of them done. Okay, good, good. If you are completed, you can take the next task, flux sensor project. Using flux sensor, you try to do any project, not an issue. Try any project, any useful project you try to do. Quick. Any useful project. What flux sensor? Someone may have a doubt. So this is your flux sensor. How the flux sensor works? If you bend to produce the variable reading. So bending from 0 to 180 degree. 180 degree, one action. In between one action, 0 means no action. Likewise, you can do some project. Or in between the angles also, you can create some project. You can do so many projects. You think by your own and do, please. I'm not going to give the project title specifically. Do some project using flux sensor. Quick. Do some project using flux sensor. Is it everyone is doing some projects? Is it everyone is doing some projects using the flux sensor and the flux sensor and with the force sensor? How many of them want the explanation of the force sensor? Force sensor done, sir. Okay, force sensor done. How many are you getting some that same kilogram value? Now you people short share your output as well as your project connection. Please share it in the chat. Output as well as your circuit diagram. Share it in the chat. Quick, quick, quick. You can share your screenshot of your outputs, please. Sir, in serial monitor is inbuilt. Serial monitor is inbuilt in Arduino. Yes, sir. Serial monitor is the inbuilt function of Arduino. But if you want to do project, we can't give a laptop to the persons. See, I want to sell the weighing scale means I can't give my laptop. That time we need to use some display units. As someone has asked, sir, how to interface this LCD. We need to keep this kind of LCDs to print our values or the 7-segment displays. These are all the outputs. Tomorrow I will discuss how to play with these outputs. Okay. Today we need to cover, and also you can make use of this kind of neon bulb. Anything you can make use it to produce your outputs. Okay. That a hammer game, no? The hammer game, you can keep this LED. If all LED goes 100% or 2-3% like that, you can make this LED to glow. Okay. Yes. Now we are our concentration full sensor part. Output tomorrow I will teach. Don't worry. Output tomorrow I will teach. Okay. Yogeshwaran. Yogeshwaran, your output is not visible engineer. Kana kilogram need to come after the numerical value. And the serial print மட்டும் adjust பண்ணுங்க Yogesh Kumar 10 kg in வரணும். You printed kg 10. Please change that alone. Yes, please change that alone. I will come to your you will come to your outputs part. What you people are doing. Kg equal to 0 வேண்டாம் முகம. Print it as a 10 numerical value followed by the unit, please. Varsha, you got straight away 1023. as a digital to analog conversion. You need to use the map function and you need to produce the output. Yes, Muhammad, wait a minute. kg equal to 2 வேண்டாங்கண்ணா. You print it as a 2 kilogram. 2 kilogram print பண்ணுங்க. Very good. Yokesh Kumar, you got a 10 kilogram. You want a space between 10 and kilogram means the kg print you are printing now, there you will put one space. After you type kg, your number will be separate, kilogram will be separate. Yogesh Kumar, try பண்ணி பாருங்க. Please save the project with appropriate name. Abhishek, try in ஒரு project இருக்குது கண்ணு. அதை வந்து digital weighing scale change பண்ணிக்கோ please. Very good. So terminal 1 sensor, terminal 1 of a sensor should connect with A0, sir. So I can connect with 5 volts, sir. You can connect it any way, not an issue. You can connect it with any way, but you need to check the serial monitor count once. Then accordingly, you need to write the map function. Okay, am I clear, Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, anyway you can connect. Yes, but you need to check the serial monitor output first before you write the map function. Muhammad Zagaria, kilogram followed by weight. No mistake வருது, என்ன பண்றீங்க? Muhammad Zagaria, that print ln, you put ln in the second command and check. Muhammad Zagaria, put print ln in the second line. First line, please remove ln. You will get a nice output. Please check. So I hope everyone little understood how to create some real-time projects. What next when we need is a fabrication, mechanical stuffs you need to learn, 3D print, how to keep this. Okay. For that we have one fantastic course in the NPTL. Can I share this course to you people? Can you learn those kind of courses? சும்மா ஹாபியா கத்துக்க முடியுமா? எஸ்னா சொல்லுங்க, I will share that kind of course. If you say yes, okay. Please don't make it as a burden, engineer. என்னடா அடுக்கடுக்கா ஏத்திட்டே போறாங்கன்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. யாருக்கு முடியுதோ ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க கண்ணு. மற்றவங்க நாட் அன் இஷ்யூ. கொஞ்சம் ஹாலிடேஸ் என்ஜாய் பண்ணு. ஒன்றும் யாரும் கம்பல் பண்ணல. ஓகே. And also I recommend you to watch one movie. Can anyone tell what movie I will recommend you to watch? எந்த மூவி நான் வாட்ச் பண்ண ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணுவேன்? Any guess from your side? I will ask you to watch one movie. Very good lah. Basal, very good. Try to watch the GD Naidu movie, GDN movie. It's a fantastic movie. How many of them from Coimbatore? How many of them from Coimbatore? How many of them from Coimbatore in our class? Okay, Muhammad, very good. Yogesh Kumar, you people must watch. Okay. How many of them from Palladam, Sulur side? Sulur range la yaar irukringa? Hosur. Okay. Okay. How many of them from Sulur? Sulur nu or place irukla Coimbatore airport. அது பக்கத்துல யார் இருக்கிறீங்க சார்? சூலூர் பக்கத்துல. Harisha, you are near to my home. Sulura, very good. How many of them from Kannambalayam? Kannambalayam யார் இருக்கா? கோயம்புத்தூர்ல இருக்கியா? Kannambalayam. No, I am not asking all the places. சும்மா இந்த மூவிக்காக I am asking. Okay, பொள்ளாச்சி. Okay, good. Okay, good. Anyone from Coimbatore? Okay. Stop this answer. Let me show. Okay, good. Kovai, Udumalapeta, done. If possible, watch that movie. It's a very fantastic innovation movie, sir. Try to watch it. So, if time permits, okay, engineer, try to watch this course. How to make a enclosure design for our projects. Okay, I am sharing this link in the chat. Go to YouTube. Okay, watch this entire YouTube video one by one. Okay, it's a fantastic course. How to make a enclosure design for electronic equipment. Because see, someone may ask, sir, I am I am computer science engineer. I am what cyber security engineer. So, kind of end of the day, after your engineering curriculum, you people may invent some projects. Okay, that time you can't give your idea to others. அவன்கிட்ட சொல்லி கோடிங் போட்டு பண்ணி கொடுறான்னு சொன்னா அவன் என்ன பண்ணுவான் சார்? ஒரு சைபர் செக்யூரிட்டி இன்ஜினியர் இருக்கிறீங்க ஆர் பயோடெக் இன்ஜினியர் இருக்கிற யூ காட் ஒன் நியூ இன்வென்ஷன், யூ வாண்ட் டு கிரியேட் ஒன் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் ஃபார் இட். இதை கொண்டு போய் ஈஸி மெக்கானிக்கல் கையில் கொடுத்து மெக்கட்ரானிக்ஸ் கையில் கொடுத்து அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க சொல்லுங்க? They will copy your ideas. For that, you should know the fundamentals. If you know the fundamentals, no, you can know what you can share, what you not share. அந்த ஐடியாலஜிக்காக தான் you people are learning all the engineering disciplines. Engineering is the common terminology. You should know all the domains, what is what at least. For the purpose only, in our school days, we studied 5 subjects. Sir, I want to become a Tamil professor. Why I want to learn 4 more subjects? Why I learned? Those things are essential for your normal life. Okay. In that way, you need engineering, so many skills you need to learn. Okay. Now I will everyone tried your what project you tried? Force sensor you tried. Now can you try the flux sensor? Can you try the flux sensor? Flux sensor. Flux sensor. What are all the projects we can do with the flux sensor? Can anyone tell me first? என்ன project பண்ண போறேன்றதை please share it in the chat. Then you can start do the project. Please tell different project names and try. Same resistor. One resistor you are going to connect in series and you are going to connect in the analog port and you are going to do the magics. என்னென்ன magic எல்லாம் பண்ணுவீங்க? List out your own project list, please. List out your own projects. Quick. I am not getting any response in the chat. Please give. Let me check it in the chat. What are the projects you are sharing? Please share the project names. Shall I give one project name? Then you can start think. Wind pressure. Actually, flux sensor won't operate with wind, Kanna, Darshan. Only the hand movement it will sense. The finger movement actually, it will sense. What type of projects I can do with this? See, I am sitting in this hall. I have an air conditioner remote. Can I do something with this? Without remote, I want to do with some flux sensor. What I can do? Can anyone tell? The remote நம்ம repeated ஒரு action பண்ணுவோம். On off. And then we will do one more action. What is that? What else we will do with this remote? AC remote. Quick. AC remote la என்னலாம் பண்ணுவோம்? கொஞ்சம் quick ஆடக்கண்ணா. Speed control. Increase or decrease the temperature. We will do. Okay, good. Changing temperature. Okay. Now, likewise, you think my finger. Say, you consider me as a one patient in the hospital. What are all the support I needed? What is this? Water bottle. If I request for water, what I can do with this finger? If I ask for any fruit to eat, how I can give a signal? So many magics you can do with this. do such kind of projects using the serial monitor. BP checking not possible with the flux sensor engineer. Only the flux sensor, using flux sensor, you can give a command to some systems. Okay. Try, 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 try such kind of projects. I will give again 3 more minutes to finish this project. Then I will teach one few new sensors. Then we will fill the feedback form. Then we will wind up the session. Quick. Now I am going to share the feedback form in the chat. If I am getting the response equal to our class attendee strength, then I will teach 2 more sensors. Okay. Else I will give it as a homework you need to do. Okay, engineer. I'm sharing the today's feedback form. If I getting the response greater than or equal to the class attendees, I will teach 1 more sensor. Else you need to do it as a homework. Please support. Now I shared the feedback form. Today's feedback form. Please start fill. Meantime, you start finish the projects also. Quick. I am sharing 5 minutes before because some people are having network connectivity issues. So I am sharing little advance to get the 100% feedback. Today we are going to break our own target. Okay, yes. Start fill your feedbacks parallelly. Start finish the project. Quick. So what else? Earthquake can find earthquake? No, Kana. Earthquake it won't work. Flux sensor. Kana, if you want to learn the new concepts, okay. If you want to learn the new concepts hereafter, I'm encouraging you to learn the prompt engineering also. Actually, our professors are telling, sir, please teach the prompt engineering also once they know the fundamentals. Okay. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to take you to the prompt engineering. We are going to use I'm going to use the chat GPT only. You people have so many AI tools in your hand. Okay. So whatever the concepts you learned already, I told you no to write a LinkedIn post also make use of this prompt engineering technique I told. Flux sensor projects. I can type like this simply. Flux sensor projects, or the good prompt engineering is always this AI engines gives the generalistic output. But you need to tell whom you are. Okay. Whom you are, you need to tell. That means I am first year engineering students. Okay. I am first year engineering student. I learned. Kana, no need to share the feedback from screenshot here. Once you done, okay, you can start do the task, flux sensor task. I learned. What are skill sets you know? I learned basics of code programming and process of programming, comma. I learned basics of programming, comma, fundamental of electronics, and Arduino basics. Okay. Now I want to now I want to now I want to do I want to do project with flux sensor. Give some real time project titles. You ask the titles alone first. Okay. Then you see what titles it is giving. Flux sensor based smart LED control. Yes, sir. This is the one project. You can adjust the brightness of the LED. You can adjust the brightness of the LED. Then digital analog meter, digital angle meter. எத்தனை டிகிரி நீங்க பெண்ட் பண்றீங்கன்ற ஆங்கிள் யூ கேன் பிரிண்ட். தென் கெஸ்டர் கண்ட்ரோல் ஹோம் ஆட்டோமேஷன். ஃபேன் ஆன் ஆஃப் பண்ணலாம், லைட் ஆன் ஆஃப் பண்ணலாம். தென் வால்யூம் கண்ட்ரோல், யூ கேன் கனெக்ட் த பஸர், யூ கேன் கனெக்ட் த மோட்டார். மோட்டார் we need to teach, please wait. Likewise, you can take any projects from this list. Try by your own. Try by your own. If you are getting any error in the coding or the execution, interact with this tool. Interact with this tool. It will give the idea. It will give the very good debugging techniques how you can correct your outputs. Okay, try to do that like this. Now let me share flux sensor titles of first 5 titles. Try to implement this first any one project. If you are struggling with the titles, take first 5 titles and try to execute any one. Then I will explain you the one more sensor, one or two sensor, very basics. Then we will wind up. Okay. After that, as usual, we have a hackathon session. If you want to know the next procedure of the hackathon, actually we need to congratulate. Yesterday we received more than 50 responses from first year side. Now we will teach you the next step, what you need to do for the Smart Day hackathon. Okay. I don't want the feedback form responses. If you done, you start do the flux sensor project quick. We will receive the feedback form response from our side. I will check actual class attendees. I will teach 2 more sensors. Then recording also I will share only after the full response only today onwards. Okay. We are not going to give all to you. Until you support us, we will make something to hold. என்ன பண்றதுக்கண்ணா, நான் கெஞ்சி கெஞ்சி பார்க்குறேன், ஃபீட்பேக் போடுங்கண்ணா, போட மாட்டேன்றீங்க. அதனால தான் we are going to take these kind of weapons. Okay. I received only 140 response. See, I received only 140 response, but we people are how much in the class? 286 now. A few people left, 100 people left, sir. Feedback form throw பண்ணோனே we lost 100 people. Okay, I will share the feedback form. See how many of them gave the feedback. See, it's hitted only 143. If it reaches 200 actual count, then I will teach 2 more sensor. I made the display to your views. Please check how many responses you got. You gave. Those who are completed the project can share your outputs. Those who are completed the project can share your outputs. Quick. How many of them trying the flux sensor projects? Flux sensor project. How many of them trying the flux sensor project? Yes. Please, yes, sir. Me, sir. Okay, good. Everyone must try. Please try. So once you adjust the angle of the flux sensor, you need to create the change in output. Please try. That ma'am will confirm. Ma'am will confirm. Okay. Quick. Flux sensor project. 2 more minutes to complete. Then share your output. Flux sensor. Let me do one project from my side. Okay. Let me do one project from my side. What I can do. I will do what? What I want to do, please put it in the chat. Sir, in the project, which project you will tell to me to do? Now, if you adjust the flux sensor angle, you need to produce some change in output. Volume control I will do. Okay, volume control I will do. You people play with what? Any other project. Okay. So now I am going to do with the volume control project. Okay. So what I need for that? I need a where is that? I need a Arduino board done. Then I need a breadboard done. Then I need a buzzer and a resistor. That's all. Only that is enough. That is enough. This is buzzer done. Then one resistor. That's all. Very simple. Only three things. Who are unable to do project by your own, you can follow the same project also, not an issue. So I am taking 5 volt power supply. Taking 5 volt power supply. Taking 5 volt power supply, followed by the ground. Followed by the ground. Then I am taking the flux sensor. So why we are giving the flux sensor, force sensor, everything with the same connection, no? All are variable resistors. Therefore, we are using same kind of connection. Okay. If you are using some other sensor, the configurations are different. That alone I will teach today, and I will wind up the today's session. So flux sensor I have connected successfully. I am going to use the A0 port to read. A0 port to read. Okay. So as usual, very simple. I need to check the serial monitor output first. Then I need to make some map function, and I need to make the buzzer to sound. So buzzer, where I am going to connect? Buzzer I am going to connect in the pin number. Since I want to get a variable sound, I need to put a PWM pin. I need to make use of the PWM pin to connect. That's all about the hardware connection. That's all about the hardware connection. Anyone want this hardware connection to be watched for some time? I will share the circuit to you in the chat. Okay, I will share the circuit in the chat. If you are unable to try the new projects, try this project, not an issue. Anyhow, you need to do one project with the flux sensor, one project with this one. Okay, how many of them responded? Engineers, again, only 170 responded, sir, feedback. We are 400 in the class. Okay. Now, how many of them present? 224 students are present, sir. Solid. Okay. One or two are leaving. But the feedback form is a very big headache from our side. We are not getting a responses. Daily less than 200, sir. Now today it hit up to 178. Is it still few people need to fill the feedback forms? Still, if few people wants to fill the feedback form, please try to do this, engineer. Okay. RTC CSC 27, ECE only 20, ADS, RGU CSC 8. These things will be recorded. Please check it. That's why I'm telling. Who are giving the feedback, no? Your class wise, everything will be recorded. Please try to give your own feedback. Okay, come to our project. Come to our project. What is that? I'm going to convert this into text. Yes, text I done. Remaining thing I am going to delete. I'm going to delete all the remaining things. The pin mode A naught, no, A naught, I'm going to keep it as a input, okay, followed by serial monitor, serial dot begin 9600 close bracket. Okay, now what I want to do, any idea what I want to do? I want to read the analog value from the A naught pin. Okay, send the feedback form in the chat. Sir. Chat, 1 minute. I will share the feedback form in the chat. Yes. I shared the feedback form in the chat. Where the chat? I am posting the feedback form in the chat too. Sir, I shared the feedback form in the chat also. Try, will attend the class quick to only 10 minutes we are going to handle maximum. Okay, now come to the where circuit part, yes. Now see int flux sensor, no, flux sensor, I'm going to keep flux equal to analog read off. Kana tomorrow class I'm not confirm. You confirm with the ma'am will inform to you. Okay, flux sensor, then print serial monitor with the variable name flux. Okay, flux, flex flux, that's all. So I'm going to check the range of this flux value first. Okay, then we will make accordingly we will make the buzzer to operate. Okay, so I'm going to check the serial monitor output for the different angles. Oh, serial monitor begin I typed, sorry, serial dot println, serial dot println, for a 0 angle, for me it is giving 33 count. If I bend it to 180, 180 means 6. Okay, for the maximum, wait a minute. If I keep degree, I can, wait a minute. I can bend the flux sensor. 0 degree means I'm getting 33. 0 degree means 33. Bend means 6. So this is the range. 6 to 33 I am getting. 6 to 33 I am getting. So if I bend more, buzzer need to give a maximum sound. That is 6. Okay. If I bend low now, it will give the output reverse. Okay, sir. So 6 to 33. 6 வரும்போது என்ன பண்ணணும்? இது வரும்போது 6 to 33. Okay, stop. Go to the code. What function I need to use for this? Any idea? What function we need to use? Any idea? Map function. Am I correct? So I'm going to introduce the map function. Int buzzer. Buzzer is the variable I'm going to use. Okay. Someone tried already. What they tried? 256 to 59. And whether the buzzer is working for this input? Who's that? Abhishek. Work out this, sir? Yes, sir. Okay. We'll try the same. So I'm going to use the map function. From value to value. What is the from value to value here? Maximum value is 33, but reverse we need to type here. Let me check this is working or not. Okay. I'm taking flux value, comma, 33,6. Buzzer value 0,255. That's all. Now, the next command what we need to type in the pin void setup is pin mode 3, output 3, output. This is for buzzer. This is for buzzer. This is for flux sensor. This is for flux sensor. Okay. Yes. Now come down. What I need to write? Very simple. We need to throw the buzzer value into analog write function. Analog write off. Analog write off. What is the pin number? 3, variable name buzzer. Okay. I am going to remove the delay. Let me check whether the buzzer works appropriately with the change in the flux value. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kade pochu, sir. Kade pochu, sir. Working perfectly, sir. Slow, I am adjusting. Kade pochu, sir. Are you getting the output? Are you getting the output? Try பண்ணுங்க. Are you getting the output? So same thing you can try with. Can I use 3 flux sensors? What for 3? Engineer? What for 3? I don't know. Do you have? Please try this one. The same thing you can try with the LED also. So LED key, very simple. I am taking one LED. I'm taking one LED. I'm taking one LED, keeping the LED and one resistor. Same project. I'm removing the buzzer. Okay. Keeping the LED and the resistor. Connect பண்றோம். Okay. Resistor value we may bring it to as usual 220 ohm. 220 ohm. Okay. Connect this resistor here. Now we will check the intensity of the light. Sir, LED glow ஆகவில்லை. Yes, LED ஏன் glow ஆகலனா the LED ஓட polarity மட்டும் change பண்ணிக்கலாம். Mirror image பண்ணிட்டோம்னா it will work. See here. Brightness மாறுதா sir? Brightness மாறுதா? Can you see the brightness variation? If I'm keeping 0 dim. Okay. Now I am pressing slowly. Intensity varies. Am I correct, engineer? Can you see this output? Can you see this? Can you feel this output? Yes or no? There is, sir. Is it clear? Slowly the brightness varies. If you connect with the motor and all, we need to do some other modifications. Okay. Yes. The last one. The last 1 minute. What are the other sensors you need to practice? Take PIR sensor. Can I take CA code you want? Code you want. Okay, take the code. Share the code in the chat. I have small doubt in the map function that I will check. Okay, you try. Okay. Now you come here. I want to check one thing. Let me check, please. I want to check the map function one value. Let me check that one. Because always from value we will give low to value high. Whether the reverse is working, I need to check. Wait a minute. Reverse is working, I need to check. Yes. The reverse portion also working. Okay, good. So you can make use of this code. Okay, it's a nice code. Already I shared the code. Please make use of it. Now come to the PIR sensor. 2 minutes time. Please give me 2 minutes time. Bear with me. See, if you are going to the market. If you are going into the market, nowadays they are selling the sensors as a module. Module தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. இப்போ ultrasonic எடுத்தேன்னா it is one module. Okay. In market, if you type any sensor, type IR sensor. LDR sensor you type simply. If you type LDR sensor, no, you will get only the modules like this. Don't buy this. These sensors are available in your maker kit. See, you will get a sensor module like this. Okay, wow? They won't give the separate LDR. If that is the case, what you need to practice is very simple. This sensor module has 3 terminals. Power and ground. Power and ground, what you need to do is, see, take this PIR sensor, connect power pin in the 5 volt, ground pin in the ground, okay, ground pin in the ground connect பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Then this output, please check with the multimeter. Please check with the multimeter and decide whether it is producing digital output or analog output. Then accordingly, you need to use this sensor. Okay. See here, this is the passive infrared sensor. It will detect any human or animal movement nearby to this. We are going to detect whether the human or animal moving nearby to this sensor. See here, PIR sensor. Now I started simulation. Now I am getting a 0 volt. The moment you click the PIR sensor, you will get a blue color dot like this. This dot represents the human or the animal. The moment you move, what you are getting, sir? 5 volt as output. 5 volt கொஞ்ச நேரத்துக்கு output வரும். After some time it goes to, after some time இது அப்படியே 5 voltல அப்படியே நிக்கும். பாத்துக்கோங்க 5 voltல. Again இதை நான் adjust பண்றேன். இங்க இருங்க. Now it is in the 5 volt. It is keep on the 5 volt. Wait a minute. PIR sensor now 0, 5 volt. For some time it will be in the 5 volt. After some time, now movement இருந்தா மட்டும் it will show 5 volt. Again it will go to 0. So it produces only the digital output, not an analog output. சொல்றது புரியுதா? நம்ம movement இருந்ததுன்னா it will give, if you are making the movement, பாத்தீங்களா, after some time it becomes 0. Have you observed? Have you observed the delay? After delay output வருது பாருங்க. இங்க பாருங்க, நான் human move பண்றேன், analog voltage இல்ல கண்ணா, gradually increase ஆகி 5 volt வருது. Please observe for some time. After some time it will go to 0. So this is a simply digital sensor. இந்த sensor use பண்ணி நீங்க ஒரு light on off control project பண்ணலாம். And take this ultrasonic sensor as a challenge task. Try to complete these 2 sensors output. I want to see your outputs in the LinkedIn. Okay. So with this, we are going to wind up the today's class. Small recap what we learned. LDR streetlight project. Then LDR, using LDR, we made the digital lux sensor. Then we learned the flux sensor, light control and buzzer control, how we can achieve that. Then at last we learned the PIR and ultrasonic. Try to take these 2 as a challenge project. Try to do some project on it. Ultrasonic concepts are little different. I will share my own YouTube videos channel. If you want to refer these two sensors, please refer and try to complete these two sensors. Okay. Let me check the feedback form of today's class. C engineer, still it is 202 only. Please inform to your friends if your known friends are available. Definitely based on this feedback only, we will give you the attendance. Okay. So please inform to your friends to fill the feedback. Someone did the okay. Potheswaran learned ultrasonic good. We will give a time. Kana Potheswaran again. You don't connect incandescent lamp with the Arduino. Separate procedure to connect. Okay. I will share the reference videos. You can learn that. Okay. So okay, with this, Kana, if you are not completed feedback, please complete your feedback and leave the session. Nearly 400 people are attending the class, but feedback response is very poor. Again, I'm telling, please try to improve it. So with this, we are going to conclude the today's class. About your tomorrow's class, you will get the information from your what in the WhatsApp community. Someone shared their LinkedIn. Okay, let me check what they did in this. It is not visible, Vaishali. Vaishali, your LinkedIn is not visible. Please check. Sometimes your links are not opening. Else you share your LinkedIn link. We will check the your post. Share your LinkedIn link, not your post link. We will check it. Or else you give a text to me. The LinkedIn, I will catch your ID. Please send any text to me. I will catch your ID and we can, everyone can see your Shalini ma'am. Mama, these two things I asked you people to send me in the WhatsApp. Okay, I'm taking the screenshot of this. Today, 200% you will get the LinkedIn link of these two maps. Okay. Yes. Now, okay, definitely I will send. I will send. Someone shared the Vaishali, have you shared the LinkedIn link or the message in the straight away LinkedIn means please do it. We'll catch your ID and we will see what you've done. Please send a message to me. We will catch you. We will catch your post. Yes, you share. What you did, Vaishali? Have you sent the message in the LinkedIn? I have not received any message. Okay, no issues, ma. You finish your task and post it. If you tag the Ratinam and our names as in the acknowledgement part, you send the. Have you sent the? I didn't receive the message yet. I didn't receive it. Wait. Okay, you try after some time. I will check that one. So thank you very much for patient listening. Anyone wants to know about the other session regarding the hackathon, please stay back. Let me end this call with the thank you note.